Shout out Kairas. F1 22 announced with full VR support on PC. Ooh, imagine the full F1 experience inside your VR headset.
It's kind of crazy.
That's pretty cool.
You know, in F1, you've seen them train like with the 3 monitors.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, now they can do it in VR. They can train.
You don't need such a big setup, huge rig, and all that. You just put on the headset. I guess you still have to have your steering wheel and pedals and such, and a decent chair if you want to do some real training. Is there a way to interact with it without a wheel if you don't have all the other gear?
Maybe.
Codemasters' latest F1 racing game, F1 22, will have full VR support on PC when it launches in a few months' time. The new game releases on multiple platforms on July 1st, but the PC edition will support headsets like the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive. Other headsets haven't been confirmed yet, given this is a PC VR release. You can expect to be able to play on Valve Index and Oculus Quest via link connections too. Check out the trailer below. Well, the trailer looks sick.
Yeah.
Damn. Enter the new era. There was a lot of reflections and things going on there.
No gameplay.
No.
But
July 1st.
You would imagine how it would look like.
Oh, I would imagine. All right. I see some other promotional clips up there too. This year's entry will feature updated tracks and vehicles as well as a new Miami circuit. There are also new modes as well as the return of classic options like career mode. VR support has been a long time coming for this series, though Codemasters has in the past implemented headset support into other racing series like Dirt Rally. Last year saw EA acquire the studio, making this another VR optional game from the publishing giant alongside titles like Star Wars Squadrons. Man, I was terrible at that game.
Oh, that game was so hard.
I only gave it like 5 minutes. So I probably would have gotten
we had the flight simulator.
3% better? 6% better?
It was very difficult.
Shout out Brevin. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's a lot of the times I feel the need to let people know. Like a lot of the times I'll be testing something out and I can't play it for like 20 hours.
Yeah.
Before the thing. So it turns into like a semi-tutorial.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Oh, so this is how you shoot. Okay.
I'm like, so that's a barrel roll. I got him. Oh, look, I got him. And it's weird how quickly you lose it. Like you can get it back. Yesterday I'm shooting a gaming phone and Mo preloaded PUBG and what was it? Bullet Force?
Bullet Force. Yeah.
Bullet Force. And these are games I know in the past I'm just wiping dudes out.
Yeah. But it's hard.
But then since I haven't booted it up in 6 months, all of a sudden I'm not I gotta it take me half an hour before it's like smooth again.
Man, I was doing I downloaded Bullet Force and I was doing the tutorial.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh man, I really need this tutorial. Like I was paying attention to the steps because I like forgot how to operate it.
Yeah, look how many buttons there are.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, like in my gameplay, just because I was mostly trying to show off the shoulder buttons on the gaming phone,
you stayed pretty focused.
The vast majority was down the sights, and I was pretty effective. But I had the help of having a phone with extra inputs.
Exactly, yeah. And a cool phone like that.
But maybe I'll give the F1 a crack. The kids are into the F1 now.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll give the F1 a crack. F1 is the thing now, Will. It's the latest, it's the hottest. Whatever they did, and congrats to them. I don't know if it was Netflix. I don't know if it was the characters. I don't know if it's the fact that all the drivers are personalities themselves, or I don't know what combination of things, but F1 here in North America, it's taking off right now. They're making moves.
It's a good time.